Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I organize my travel makeup bags, and actually these are the products that I took with me to Cyprus. As always, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for my latest videos, and without further ado, let's get started! I always like to divide my products in smaller makeup bags because it is easier to hide them into my clothes and also protect them. For primer, I have the Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. This is oil-free. And I also got the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I got both of these in a primer value set from Sephora. I will link down below the Sephora haul that I did. And I took both of these because I wanted to see how they will work with my foundation. For foundation, I took with me the Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup by Essence with Healthy Glow, Vitamin Complex and Cranberry Water. This is in a glass jar. I would prefer something squeezable like the Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation by L'Oreal. But my Infallible foundation was empty, so I took with me the Essence foundation. For concealer, I took of course with me the Instant Anti-Age Effect Concealer by Maybelline. This is one of my favorite concealers, and of course I had it with me. For powder, I have the setting powder Lock It in Translucent by Kat Von D, and this powder has the cutest shifter ever. It is a little star, and you also get a small powder puff that fits perfectly into the packaging, and that makes it incredibly travel friendly. To blend everything, I have the Beauty Blender. So for contouring, I had with me the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. This is a very nice texture. I love this. This blends so nice into my skin. For blush, I took the High Definition Blush by NYX. This is in Hamptons. This is my most favorite shade for blush, and it had an accident. Now I'm trying to find a way to fix it. For highlighter, I took the Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed by Becca in Moonstone, and I also got the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlighter in Exposed, and I love both of these. I couldn't decide which one I should take with me, so they are so small. I took both of these. Why not? For my brows, I had the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. For eye pencil, I have a double-ended eye pencil by Tommy G Cosmetics. On one side, we have a black eye pencil, and on the other side, a nude one. For mascara, I took with me the Paradise Ecstatic Mascara by L'Oreal, and also the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. For eyeliner, I have the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in Black by Maybelline, and I also had with me the Liquid Liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. But I need to be honest with you, I didn't use any of these because I wasn't in the mood for eyeliner, I just wanted to see my friends and my family. At first, I wanted to take with me the Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette by Kat Von D because I love the shades. You can make so many different makeup looks, and I was in Cyprus for 2 weeks, so I wanted a palette that I would be able to do a lot of different looks. I also had with me the Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty, and my husband gave this to me as a Christmas present, and I was in Cyprus for Christmas. I didn't want to leave behind my Christmas gift. For lip liners, I had with me the Lip Liners Everlasting by Kat Von D in the colors Homegirl, Hawkwind and Lolita. And these were also a Christmas gift from my husband, so I couldn't go without them, and they are so creamy. For lipsticks, I had with me 2 lipsticks by Essence in the color Pink Up Your Life, and also the Natural Kiss that I use all the time. And also I couldn't go without some lip glosses, and I had with me the High Shine Gloss Lip Lacquer by Marc Jacobs, and I got all of these colors in a value set, again by Sephora. I will link down below the lipstick swatches video. And from all of these colors, I had with me Sugar and Changes, which is my favorite color. So for eye cream, I always use All About Eyes Reach by Clinique. And for the face, I have the Moisture Surge Intense Skin Fortifying Hydrator by Clinique again. I didn't take with me any sunscreen face cream because my favorite one by Kores was empty. For removing my makeup, I always have cotton pads, and I also use the eye makeup remover by Maybelline. I always have my makeup remover in a small little plastic bag so I don't have any accidents around my makeup. For traveling, I always like to have perfume samples so I can have with me 2 or 3 different kinds. I got my brush case from the Morphe brush set, the Candy Apple brush set, and I like this one because it has a magnetic closure and it can fit all of my brushes. This one is the brush that I use for applying setting powder on my face. This is by Morphe. For contouring, I have the brush 109 by MAC. For blush, I use the L brush by Zerva Cosmetics. This fluffy brush by Morphe, I use it to blend all the products on my face. To highlight my face, I use a tapered blending brush by E40. For contouring my nose, I always have with me this double-ended brush by Babs Beauty. To set my concealer, I use a Morphe brush and it is very soft. I always like to have a lot of different eyeliner brushes, so I have some from Bella Pierre, Morphe and Essence. I also like to have different eyeshadow brushes and I prefer flat brushes. I have 2 from Essence and 1 by Bella Pierre. For my inner corner, I had with me this little pencil brush by Morphe. To apply the eyeshadows on my crease, I use 2 eye blender brushes by Essence. And I always like to have some extra brushes, so I took with me those double-ended brushes by Urban Decay. And I got these from Naked 2 and Naked 3 palettes. And this is how I arrange my brushes into the brush set. All my brushes are very dirty. I know. I will film a how to wash my brushes video for next week and also my favorite drugstore and affordable brushes. So don't forget to stay tuned. In this one, I like to keep the bigger items like the eyeshadow palettes and the brushes. In the cute lipstick addict bag, I put the smaller products. In the pink one, I have my skincare and makeup remover products. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye!